So welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're going to talk about two investments that helped me make $696 in the next 7 days by November 19th, 2021. So let's get started. So if you weren't following me before, this is actually the 5th and the 6th trade we are trading using this strategy, and you can actually get access to this trade history log in the description below. So it's actually just the first link. So far, including the two trades I'm about to talk about today, we will be making $1,340 in 30 days. So I have actually increased my capital invested today to around $20,000 in total. So just a couple of hours ago, I added $10,000. So this will bring our monthly return within the next 30 to 40 days to approximately 6.7%. So that is pretty exciting. We'll see how this plays out as strategy number 2. So let's talk about the two trades, shall we? So first of all, the expiry I'm using is November 19th, 2021, because today is October 12th, 2021. So it's approximately 1 month from now. It's not exactly 30 days, but it's close enough. So the low risk entry I'm doing here is SPLUNK. It is actually a data analytics company that we cover in Investing Accelerator. And over the last 3-5 years, after looking at the financial statements, technical analysis, it is pretty positive. So we use a $150 strike, and the premium earned, this is actually incorrect. The premium earned is actually $509. So let me just fix this for you. And then we'll be taking profit at 90%. So this already took into account. So the actual premium is actually higher than 509, but this is after the taking profit consideration already. And then for NIO is the second position, that is high risk, November 19th, 2021. And the put strike is $35. And again, the premium here, I forgot to update, is $187. Okay, and we're taking profit at 90%. So if you just take the do the math, 150 times 100 plus 35 times 100, you'll realize the capital we need to use is actually 18,500. And right now I'm using margin for the portfolio. So since last time we have spoke, I've actually put 10,000 in. So as of the moment, I'm using $8,500 of margin. Okay, so that is important to consider, because when we're calculating the return down here, I have used 10,000 to calculate this return, which gives us around 6.96%, which if you prorated, then this becomes 66%, which is a rough annualized return. Now, if you take out the margin and you divide it by 18,000, then this will obviously go down to approximately 30% or so per year for annualized return. So that is actually not bad. Now, if you want to get access to this trading log, is in the first link in the description below. And then you also subscribe to my email list. And so far, we have earned $1,340. So that is pretty exciting, because now we are in the zone where we're making $1,000 a month with just $20,000 and using a regular margin account. So if you want a little bit more explanation for this, you can actually refer to my main channel. I actually have a video called How to Hack Retirement in 3 Years, and that actually explains what I'm using for this strategy. So that's pretty much it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.